Today, we will continue our Microsoft PowerPoint training. Today, we will explain how to link data from an Excel file and the presentation slide in PowerPoint. Here's an Excel table that we will highlight like this. Then, right-click and choose Copy. Go to the PowerPoint file, click on Home, then Paste. Then click on Paste Special. Choose Paste Link, then Microsoft Excel, and click OK. The table data will be pasted into Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, there is a link between this data in both files. For example, if we open both files like this, the tables in Excel and PowerPoint. If we change any data in Excel, for example, from 8 to 18, the same value in the PowerPoint table will be changed. And if we highlight the table and change its design in Excel, by clicking on Quick Styles and choosing one, the design of the PowerPoint table will change instantly. And if we change the background color of a row in Excel, the color of the same row in the PowerPoint table will change. So, any change in the Excel table will be reflected instantly in the PowerPoint table. Or any change in the design will automatically reflect in PowerPoint. If we want to link the chart between Excel and PowerPoint, we highlight the table in Excel, then Insert then Chart. Select one of the charts to insert in Excel. Right-click the chart, then choose Copy. Go to the PowerPoint file, then click Paste. Here, to use the design according to the PowerPoint file. And here, to retain the design and data from the Excel file, we select it. The chart will be pasted with a link to the chart in the Excel file. We open both files to see the impact of the changes. For example, changing the value from 11 to 40 in the Excel table. The change will be immediate in the chart in PowerPoint. Similarly, if the value is changed from 12 to 80 in the Excel table, the change will be automatic in the chart in PowerPoint. Here, if we change the text from Excel to Word in the Excel table, the text will be automatically changed in the chart in PowerPoint. We zoom in a bit to illustrate the changes that occurred. Thus, we can link the table data and the chart in Excel, and the PowerPoint presentation slide, which changes automatically instead of the repeated copying and pasting between the files. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fair Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.